guys, so in today's video I'm going to be creating this very easy wearable Navratri makeup look which is all glam at the same time. I mean, we are playing Navratri properly after 2 entire years of COVID, so I think we all should go glam while playing Garba and Dandiya. And मैंने ये look को glam भी रखा है, साथ साथ wearable भी रखा है, and it's very easy to do. And all the makeup products that I used are easily accessible on Amazon. And the best part is that Amazon is soon going to be coming up with their Great Indian Festive Sale, where you can find all of these products on amazing deals and discounts. अभी भी अगर आप Amazon की website और app check करोगे तो आपको discounts बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे मिलेंगे because they have their Kickstarter sale going on currently. So make sure you check out Amazon for all of your fashion and beauty needs, and all the links to purchase all the products that I use are mentioned in the description box below. So with all that being said, let me quickly dive into today's video. Firstly, I'm using this Mamaearth Aqua Glow Gel Moisturizer. To hydrate my lips, I'm using this Mamaearth Cherry Tinted Lip Balm. For foundation, I'm using this Mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation in the shade Nude Glow. For concealer, I'm using Mamaearth Glow Hydrating Concealer in the shade Creme Glow. To set my base, I'm using Mamaearth Glow Oil Control Compact Powder. For my eyes, I'm using this Mamaearth Charcoal Black Longstay Kajal. I'm lining both my top lash line as well as my bottom lash line with the Kajal and then smudging it all out to create that Smoky Liner look. Now here comes the fun part. I'm going to be doing a Navratri bindi using this eyeliner from Mamaearth. This is their soothing waterproof eyeliner. I think that looks very creative and that just adds that Navratri touch to the entire makeup look. Moving on to the last product, which is this Mamaearth Moist Matte Lipstick. The shade that I have is Raspberry Scarlet and I'm using it as a blush. So that's the final look and I love how it turned out. It's so glam yet it's so wearable at the same time, and you can easily pull this off for Navratri. So in case if you guys end up recreating this makeup look, do tag me on your Instagram recreations. I would love to see them. Also, you can purchase all the products that I used today from Amazon. All the shopping links are mentioned in the description box below. So that was my video for today. If you guys found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram and let me know in the comments below what other makeup looks would you like me to create. And that's all for now. I shall see you the next time.